In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a ClickUp Space 2026 tutorial. Sharing a space is the fastest way to bring teammates or clients into the exact work you want them to see. Nothing more, nothing less. I'll walk you through it step by step, and along the way, I'll call out a few tips so you can share confidently and securely. Start by opening ClickUp and going to your overview. Think of the overview or dashboard as the home base where everything in your workspace lives. From here, look to the sidebar and navigate to the space you want to share. Make sure you're in the correct space, not just a folder or a list, so the settings you change apply at the right level. If you work in multiple workspaces, double-check the logo or workspace name at the top to confirm you're editing the right one. Next, hover over the space name and click the three dots, also called the ellipsis. That opens the Space Actions menu. Scroll to the bottom and select Sharing and Permissions. This panel is where you control exactly who can access the space and what they're allowed to do. If you don't see the option, you may need space admin rights or to ask a workspace admin to adjust permissions. In the invite field, start typing the person's name or their work email address. If they're already part of your organization in ClickUp, you'll see them appear in the suggestions. Click the correct profile to add them. If they're external, verify you're using their preferred work email, since that's where the invitation will land. Some teams also add a short message so the recipient knows why they're being invited. After selecting them, review their access. You can open their permission settings to fine-tune what they can do in the space, such as view only, comment, or edit. Choose the lightest level that still lets them get their job done. This keeps your workspace organized and protects sensitive work. You can always return to this panel later to upgrade, downgrade, or remove access as projects evolve. If you prefer to share with a link, you can copy the space link from this panel and send it through your usual channels. Before sharing, confirm that link access is enabled for your workspace and that the link's permission level matches your intent. When security is a priority, inviting specific people is usually the safest route. And that's it. Once the invite is sent or the link is shared, your collaborator will get access and can jump right in. Quick, straightforward, and done. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next walkthrough. See you in the next one.